doing some JavaScript coding. So in the last video we were doing document query selectors and DOM selectors. So we're going to go to this course here. We have all of our styles up and ready to go, and we can work our way through them. So style.property OK, and how this will work is you see the code on the left, I'll type it out for you and I'll explain it as we go along. So by the end of this video we should have a good grasp of DOM selectors and JavaScript. So let's go. I'm going to use the changing styles going on in the last video. So we'll have document.query selector. We'll use the h1 element for the file that we have up, and this is the file. So you can type this out quickly. So it's a meta tag. We have a body of h1, simple body, and I'll show you it here. It's up and running the web page. So if you go to F12, now we can do DOM testing. Control V for our h1 selector, and if we want to change the style, we can do style dot, say the property, we can do background, and if we want it to equal to a color, we can do blue. Property dot background, and we'll cover that one in quotes. And now what you see, if we run it in our console in Chrome, it changes the background for the h1 to blue. So you can see that changes it to blue. It's barely seeable. And now if we go to another DOM selector, we go to class name. So let's do DOM testing. So h1 document dot query selector h1, select the class name of it, dot class name is style. We'll see what it gives us. So we're going to select no with the class name of style. Is not a function. Class name. So DOM testing. So we can do document.query selector all, and then separate them with a comma to select all LI elements and all the h1 elements. So now let's go document name style. Class list.add, class list.remove, parent element. Alright, so in the next video we're going to be doing DOM events and how to react to events in JavaScript. This is a really big topic, so I look forward to seeing that one. Comment down below any resources you're learning to use JavaScript, and thanks for watching.